Alright everybody, this is Big P again, here in the Philippines. Right now, I'm going to do a little segment here on the this big bike show that BMW has put on here today. I'm going to try to show a few of the bikes. Look like a crazy person walking around with my helmet on. You look around here, you'll see a lot of big scooters, a lot of big BMW bikes, Kawasaki's. There's a really big scooter right there, a white one. Let me just show some of these. There's a Ducati Adventure something or another. Kawasaki. It's the breakfast ride. BMW Motard. Let me go over here. There's a bunch of Harley-Davidsons that came in here a while ago. They're having everybody park in this parking lot. There's a real nice Harley-Davidson right there. Lots of BMWs. Lots of guys just getting here. There's a nice BMW. 1000 cc. It's where they have all the Harleys parked that back here. I wouldn't imagine there's so many Harley-Davidsons here in the Philippines. But as you can see, there's a buttload of them. Wow. It's pretty hot out here today. Everybody's complaining about the heat, but I still wanted to come out here and get some views of all these Harley-Davidsons, all these other motorcycles coming in here. I was hoping to find that gold wing I seen a while ago. This is probably going to be a pretty short video, just walking around the parking lot here, trying to get a view of all the really nice motorcycles they have here, all the Harley-Davidsons. All the racing bikes, the big scooters. Ducati. Got all the Harley-Davidsons here. Again. Trying to snap some pictures as I'm doing this video. Oh, wow. There's a real nice looking one right there. It looks kind of old. There's another one. This is a really good bike show they got going on here. All these big bikes showing up. I don't know how this video is going to come out. Let's get this one right here down on the end. Harley-Davidson right here. This looks real nice. Okay, I then took a round of the parking lot, showing all the bikes that showed up here. There's some real nice ones here too. And it looks like, or it sounds like, there's still bikes showing up. Still people showing up. Like I said before, you know, there's like 5 of us that came to the bike show here on the big bikes, the Xciting, Kymco Xciting 400i's. So we could get up on the highway. But this particular event is for only large capacity motorcycles. I'm gonna try to get back around over here. I got some guys still showing up here. As soon as I get back, there's a T-Max right there. That's a big scooter. Almost missed this Harley right here. As soon as I get back over here by my scooter, my bike, I'm going to go ahead and cut this video off. Just say again, this is Big P in the Philippines, exploring the Philippines, and hoping you guys are enjoying my videos. If you do, please subscribe on the YouTube channel. I'd appreciate that. There's my bike right there. So I'm going to go ahead and cut this video short and say, this is Big P in the Philippines. Say goodbye for now.